Welcome back to our channel. Today we're here to talk about what if you invested $100 in Reef Finance crypto. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel to never miss a crypto update. So without any further delay, let's get started quickly. The Reef is a multi-chain intelligent revenue engine and liquidity aggregator based on Polkadot, supporting the integration of any financial hub. The Reef is based on Polkadot's development, shares its security model with the ecosystem, and realizes the cross-chain integration of the head DeFi protocol. The Reef has a very low entry barrier, provides retail investors with an opportunity to enter the DeFi market, and adds a decision-making mechanism based on the level of user risk. Reef tokens are functional tokens that use to vote on different proposals, such as the release of new features, adjustment of certain parameters in the system, and other proposals. In addition to governance functions, Reef also powers the entire system, so users can use Reef to pay for the system. At the same time, Reef is also used in the basket engine and revenue distribution mechanism. Reef Finance was established in 2019 by CEO and co-founder Denko Mancheski. The project was launched on Polkadot in September 2020 and on Binance Launch Pool in December of the following year. Reef Finance is a liquidity aggregator and multi-chain intelligent revenue engine that can integrate any DeFi protocol, supported by Polkadot. It helps retail investors to access DeFi without technical barriers. Imagine creating a system of bank accounts in multiple countries and different currencies, and then using these accounts to transfer funds. This process is very complicated, including not only many banks, but also all the infrastructure behind these banks. These infrastructures are not necessarily connected, such as SWIFT and IBAN. If you buy bonds and stocks from these accounts, things become more complicated. This is why it is an arduous process to get new retail investors into the stock market. Previously, the only way for retail investors to participate in the global stock market was through middlemen, brokers who charge high fees. With the development of the financial revolution, applications such as TransferWise for banking and Robinhood for transactions appeared, and users saved the trouble of their calculations. Why is it built on Polkadot? Most DeFi projects run on the Ethereum network, and Reef chose to deploy on Polkadot to avoid the problems of soaring Ethereum fees and excessive transaction time. Although Ethereum 2.0 aims to solve this problem, it will take a long time to fully deploy Ethereum 2.0. Polkadot does not have the common problems of Ethereum, and it also helps to enhance the interoperability that Reef needs. By deploying on Polkadot, Reef can introduce services and products from various networks. The Reef platform has been connected to some of the largest crypto trading platforms, providing unparalleled liquidity. All aggregated liquidity is conducted through DEX and CEX, and users can hedge against the drawbacks of two different sources, including high slippage and high transaction fees. Another benefit is that liquidity aggregation can protect Reef users from issues such as preemptive transactions and market manipulation. Well-known trader and analyst Lark Davis has been looking for the next cryptocurrency whose price has soared. In his latest video, he revealed the top 5 altcoins that he believes will earn 100 times or more, including Reef. Reef held a series of private sales activities in September 2020, selling approximately 4.2 billion Reefs at an average cost of approximately $0.00095. When Reef tokens began trading in late December 2020, the opening price was $0.02792, which has brought huge returns to those early private investors. The price quickly dropped from the opening high, but within a few weeks it began to recover. As of late January 2021, the price was still above $0.02, and early investors had a return of more than 1,600%. As a DeFi token, as long as DeFi is still popular, it is expected to get more benefits. Will Reef coin go up? What if you invested $100 in Reef Finance crypto? Whether or not Reef goes up is a case of what people think about Reef's cryptocurrency and the adoption rate of its services. The Reef tokens chain is integrated with Ethereum, Polkadot, Avalanche, Cosmos, and Binance Smart Chain Decentralized Finance. It's fast, scalable, have low transaction costs, and doesn't do unnecessary mining. The project was built on Polkadot boards and came with on-chain governance. The platform has some impressive features, a bridge between Reef staking, robustness, and liquidity, managed by the community. Considering the different features of the platform and the numerous investments in Reef, we are very optimistic that its value is likely to increase in the future. Also, experts on the TradingView website predict that the price of Reef tokens will rise in the future. A critical look at the opinions of cryptocurrency price forecasting website shows that the value of Reef will continue to skyrocket in the future. For example, Wallet Investor, a popular crypto forecasting platform, believes Reef tokens prices will reach $0.7 over the next 5 years. However, from the analysis so far, Reef tokens are best suited for long-term investments, such as 5 years or more. However, numerous investments in projects can cause price spikes in the short term. Therefore, something can happen in the network within a year. The future of Reef cryptocurrency. Reef cryptocurrencies are trying to solve one of the key issues with decentralization, which is interoperability. The Reef can take advantage of this to continue building with various L1 protocols in both private and public chains, providing sufficient liquidity for Reef. The platform also has plans to develop ETFs and automatic tickers in the future. The development of the Reef tokens network has been impressive since its inception. In 2020, the Reef ecosystem will have more than 20 partnerships, and more partnerships will begin this year. Notable partnerships include partnerships with Kava, Covalent, Matic, Bluezell, and Chainlink. The integration of Reef and the Binance Access API opens the door to fiat cryptocurrency purchases, along with opportunities for decentralized trading within the network. Earlier this year, the Reef ecosystem formed another partnership with OpenDeFi. This is a platform that works by allowing custodian-owned, insured, and physically backed real-world assets to be tokenized. Users can bet their assets and access loans in the network to enjoy yield opportunities. In addition, the Reef network has also worked with another top platform, the Manta network, a decentralized platform dedicated to cross-chain privacy and a price-stable DEX. In March, the Reef ecosystem collaborated with Elrond, a high-performance blockchain platform for developing dApps. In the same March, Reef Network also launched a Lit/Reef staking bond. Another notable investment was brought to the ecosystem when Alameda Research bought Reef tokens that month and invested $20 million in Reef Finance. In the Reef tokens chain ecosystem, you can also see the many goals they set to achieve that year. All of this shows that the platform is ready to change the decentralized ecosystem. Price forecasts for various Reefs throughout the year and beyond also agree that Reefs are likely to be a good investment in the future. Why Reef could be a good investment? The Reef Tokens network provides a friendly environment where all users can experience the world of cryptography firsthand. The ecosystem is aimed not only at new entrants, but also at current DeFi users who find it difficult to keep up with the best investment strategies. The company is trying to solve the high gas price problem found in the Ethereum blockchain, which people consider to be a barrier to the decentralized protocol. In terms of security, the network is protected under a shared security model operated by Polkadot. This does more than just make the ecosystem resilient. It also ensures that the upgrade can be performed without forks. Reef Finance has also established an autonomous organization governed by Reef token holders. The ease of use of the platform, its numerous partnerships, network investments, team vision, and security can increase the annual rate of Reef token adoption. This in turn could be the reason why Reef is a good investment for the year. Already, Reef Finance is in the spotlight for its numerous partnerships. Adding to this, the surge in cryptocurrency adoption could lead to explosive growth in Reef's popularity in the future. In your own view, do you think the value of Reef could increase in the future? So, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.